Welcome, everyone. We hear about AI constantly, but what is its actual fundamental role in our economy? Today, we're going to move beyond the buzzwords. We'll explore how AI isn't just a new piece of technology, but a truly strategic instrument that organizations and individuals, for that matter, are using to survive and compete, especially when resources are tight and the future is uncertain.
So let's start with a central question to frame our entire discussion. Once you strip away all the hype, what is AI actually doing for the economy? I mean, how does it create tangible, measurable value for, say, a brand new startup, a massive corporation, or even a freelancer? That's what we need to get to the bottom of.
Okay, here is the roadmap for our lecture today. We'll begin with the core economic principles of AI. Then we'll examine its impact on both sides of the ledger, driving down costs and then boosting revenue. From there, we'll analyze its profound effect on market competition, and finally, we'll synthesize everything to define AI's role as a true economic asset. So let's dive right in. First up, Section 1, AI's core economic engine. Before we can get into specific applications, we have to understand the foundational principles, the fundamental ways AI generates economic value from the ground up. When you really boil it all down, AI's economic power rests on these three pillars. First, you've got efficiency. Think of this as simply getting more output from the same input. A classic example is a logistics AI finding a faster delivery route. Next is automation, which is the how. It's about taking over repetitive manual tasks, like sorting data or responding to standard inquiries. And finally, there's optimization. This is about making the best possible decision from countless options, like an algorithm setting the perfect price for a flight ticket in real time. These three concepts are the bedrock of everything else we're going to discuss. All right, let's see those pillars in action. In Section 2, we're focusing on how AI helps businesses meet what we can call the efficiency mandate. Basically, how it allows them to fundamentally reduce their operational costs and alter their entire cost structure. The most direct way AI achieves this is through the automation of routine tasks. Now, we're talking about things like data entry, inventory management, or basic customer service chats. By delegating these jobs to AI, something critical happens. You liberate your human capital. Your people are freed up to concentrate on higher value functions that require creativity, strategic thinking, and complex problem solving. Now, what's really crucial to understand here is this clear causal chain. Step 1, automation, isn't the end goal itself, it's the catalyst. By automating routine work, you enable Step 2, the creation of leaner, more agile operational structures. And that structural change is what directly leads to Step 3, a significant and measurable decrease in your overall operational costs. It's a clear pathway from a tool to a tangible economic outcome. So we've established that AI is a powerful tool for controlling costs. But what about the other side of the equation, actually making money? This brings us to Section 3, how AI functions as a powerful growth engine to boost top-line revenue. You see, AI drives revenue not with a broad, scattershot approach, but with incredible precision. It begins with improved targeting, allowing a business to identify and reach the specific customers most likely to be interested in its product. This then enables enhanced personalization, tailoring offers and experiences to individual needs, which makes customers feel understood. The natural result of these two steps is increased customer engagement, which fosters loyalty and drives repeat business. And this slide illustrates the point perfectly. This is the dual function of AI's economic value. It operates on both sides of the financial statement at the same time. On one side, it pushes costs down through automation and creating leaner structures. On the other, it pulls revenues up through better targeting and customer engagement. This two-pronged impact is precisely what makes it such a formidable strategic instrument. Now we turn to one of the most profound effects of AI, especially for smaller economic players. Section 4 is all about how AI is leveling the playing field, a phenomenon we can call economic democratization. It's about giving startups and small businesses a real chance to compete with industry giants. This quote really captures the essence of the shift. Historically, sophisticated tools like advanced data analytics or predictive modeling were the exclusive domain of large corporations, the ones with the capital to build out massive infrastructure and hire teams of data scientists. AI is fundamentally changing that dynamic.
And this table lays out the transformation in stark terms. Just look at how AI dismantles these traditional barriers. The high capital investment required for analytics,
It's replaced by accessible, often subscription-based AI tools. The limited capacity to process huge datasets, AI offers scalable analysis that grows with your business. And that resource-intensive market research, it becomes automated targeting and personalization. It truly is leveling the playing field. Okay, so we've examined how AI reduces costs, how it generates revenue, and how it democratizes market access. For our final section, let's synthesize these functions to arrive at a conclusive framework for understanding AI's role in the economy. By combining its capacity to simultaneously reduce costs and grow revenue, AI transcends its role as a mere tool. It becomes what we can formally define as a value-generating economic asset. It's a system that actively and measurably creates economic worth for an organization. And this leads us to our concluding thought, a critical question for the future. If AI is in fact becoming a core economic asset, essential for survival and competition, what does that mean for all of us in the workforce? How must we redefine our own concepts of skill, of value, and of competitiveness to remain relevant in this new economic landscape? That is the challenge we all must prepare to meet.